SENS technical analysis, fundamental statistics, partial due diligence, along with reviewing my current positions and their price targets. Starting off with the price action, we did validate this level yesterday on Friday, the 12th. This green rectangular level of support I am hovering over now. We do have 3 validations of this in the last 3 trading days. This combined with this validation as a resistance previously, this level will be acting as a significantly strong support in my opinion. We do have 3, 4, almost 5 basically touch points on this ascending level support. This will be the first level to watch. But guys, in my opinion, this is not financial advice. I would not be buying at these levels, given one very important indicator called the relative strength index. Anything over 70 is going to be overbought. Anything under 30 will be oversold. But these are not for sure indicators. Okay, this is just technical analysis indicators that give us a probability standpoint of what the future price action will be like. We're sitting at 80.08, okay, extremely overbought. This is why, although we have many bullish indicators here, although we have 2 extremely strong levels of support along, and that's not even including the Fibonacci, which let's go ahead and drop a Fibonacci retracement to get a better idea of some support and resistance levels. Let's make this a little clear for you. Okay, this is another reason why this green rectangular range of support is going to be not really broken unless we see a news catalyst. Guys, I've told you this before. News catalysts trump technical analysis 9 out of 10 times. Really, always. Okay, if it's something big, the price action will not care about resistance levels. Everyone's going to flood in. Buyers will be destroying the bull. Buyers will be destroying the bears. And if it's a bad catalyst, opposite. Okay, but this level does have the 23.6% retracement sitting at roughly 3.5. This is basically going to be acting as a double support in my opinion. So if we do break this ascending level of support on Tuesday or Wednesday or any time, and if you're thinking about getting a position established in the stock, this will be a fairly good entry point in my opinion. Although we would like a little cheaper, you know, the run up has been insane. We were trading at under $1 in January. Okay, so that kind of tells you why the RSI is so high. Okay, but that is pretty much what we're looking at the technical analysis. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at a new indicator that a lot of you probably are not familiar of. These are Bollinger Bands. Okay, these are actually I do like this indicator. Typically, when you see the distance of these increase, like we see here, okay, here, we're chilling right here, and then we increase, you're going to see increased volatility along with a higher chance of continuing, of a higher chance of having a continuation pattern in whichever direction you went. So let me give you an example, a very good example in the recent past. Okay, let's look right here. We have chilling right here, you know, fairly not very volatile, not much price action to dissect there really. We have this huge spike. Okay, if you would have went off of this Bollinger Band indicator alone, you would be sitting very nice. Okay, because we went upward direction, right? Huge, wide range candle bar supported by volume, right? We did go in the upwards direction along with these Bollinger Bands volatility increasing, and then that typically indicates a higher move in the future. And obviously, you know, you'd be sitting what, $3 to $4. You know, that's more than a 25% increase. Okay. So that is a bullish indicator. Okay, that doesn't mean go run in it and put your life savings in it. This is not financial advice. Make your own investing decisions, please, along with your due diligence knowledge. Please do that. We are going to be looking at some partial due diligence right now, though. Let's look at some fundamental statistics first. Okay, institutional ownership. We are looking at 20% almost. This is a bullish sign. Let's look at some recent institutional buying. Green rows indicate new positions. Red rows indicate closed positions. Okay, we do have a fair, we do have a lot of institutions loading up. Okay, this is the 12th of February. This is yesterday, Friday. A lot of institutions are loading up. This is a bullish sign. Okay, Reddit, take it for what it is. This was 5 days ago. Sensenonics, DD, huge upside, due diligence. Okay, this will be linked in the description for your viewing pleasure. This goes on to say a lot of good information. You should be looking at this, but the financials, as we are going to go over soon, are not that amazing. This is basically just what the company does. You need to know what the company does, and they're at the most basic level, their business model, before you invest in them, in my opinion. They develop and commercialize glucose monitoring systems for people with diabetes. That's essentially what they do. I've heard a lot of negative comments actually on their product. I've also heard a lot of positive ones, but that's, take that for what it is. Okay. These are some financials. I did do a quick little math equation with the total revenue and total expenses, a Warren Buffett backed strategy, and it is pretty bloody. It's pretty much blood in the streets as far as the financials go. This is pretty much all you need to know. I won't bore you with the equation that I did, but pretty much their revenue is this, right? All numbers are in thousands. This means 12 12 trailing months. This is the most recent data they have. And all numbers are going to be in thousands. So essentially this would look like 10,000 normally, but you add 3 zeros and this is going to be 10 million. Okay. So basically their revenue is going to be 10 million and the 12 trailing months in the last 12 trailing months. And then let's look at their, total expenses. Okay, look at this. Okay, 113 million. Okay, this pretty much gives you an idea of why their financials are not amazing. I didn't have to do much work. I mean, that's pretty much all you need to do. But that's pretty much what we're looking at. Warren Buffett's strategy, we will be going over more in depth in future videos about the capital expenditure and calculating the net income loss. But that's what we're looking at as far as financials. This is a new statistic, little fun little term that can be used as can be very essential. Okay, Sensonics search term. We are going way up, and look at this. Okay, take it with a grain of salt. Value for this point has partial and incomplete data. Okay, but they are based on what they have, the small information they have. Google Trends does project this to be increasing in interest. And interest does not necessarily correlate with higher stock price. Of course, price action in this does not correlate exactly, but it probably does. Why do I say that? Well, just look at BioNano, for example. It's one of the most interesting stocks to the majority of the public. And typically there are more bulls than bears, especially in the current market. So more interest usually will mean more buyers. Current positions. Okay, we do have some new information here. This will be, you definitely want to look at this, okay? I do not have a price target for Sensonics, unfortunately. I do not know enough about the company, in my opinion, to give an accurate price target like I do for these. This is pretty much what we're looking at, though. Not much new information here. I did add the risk in, okay? This is not, okay, look at this. You need to read this, okay? Orthodoxly, these would all be considered high risk. These are just my personal risk evaluations compared to each other, okay? So take this for what it is, guys. If you are looking to establish positions in any of my stocks, these are all my positions. Here is the proof of that. Let's actually go over my actual account and show you my positions. These are all my positions. Here is my account. This is how much I have in each position. Okay. That's what we're looking at. So yeah, this is what we're looking at, guys. This is a penny stock. This is the most risky, but that I do have it as medium. Okay, so this is essentially what we're looking at, and this is just compared to the other ones. Okay, I don't think any of these companies are extremely high risk. I've done my due diligence. I've done the technicals. I know their business model. I know their product. I know the demand in the space that they're in will probably be increasing over the next year to long term, even more than that. Okay, there's a couple plays in here I'll be holding for a while, especially BioNano, but that's essentially what we're looking at. Okay, relevant information in regards to the title has finished. Now feel free to click off if you have better things to do. Extra useful information. This is actually very important in my opinion. Be careful in the comments, please. I did see a Bitcoin bot, the first Bitcoin bot we got. Okay, I don't know for sure if it's a Bitcoin bot, but basically I saw a comment that was like, follow this guy. Here's his WhatsApp. Essentially, they want you to pay him, I assume. And basically, no comment on here on this channel has got more than like 20 likes ever currently, as I'm aware. And this guy got like 30 to 40 likes like within a couple minutes, which is absolutely impossible. I mean, it's not impossible, but 99% impossible, right? So yeah, they're pretty much just trying to scam you, in my opinion. Okay, a lot of people are going to try to scam you. Also, fake auspicious descent. We have not got one yet, but be extremely careful, guys. There will be people in the comments as we start gaining more steam. We are gaining steam currently at a very high pace, at a very high rate, but these will start coming out and they will start asking you for money. They will start asking you to contact them, and they will have my exact same profile picture and my exact same name. Be careful, guys. I will never ask you for any of this stuff. If I'm commenting, you guys know when I'm commenting and what I'm commenting. I'm not asking you for your email, or to contact me on WhatsApp. I don't even have a WhatsApp or any of that. Okay. So just be extremely careful on scammers. This is just what you get with the internet. 1 to 2 videos per week on the weekend covering the 2 most requested stocks. This is one of them. I just figured I would just go ahead and give a full analysis on the stock because there's so many requests for it. Poll is currently not working. Okay. I'll try to figure that out. Why should I be trusted? You shouldn't trust me. Don't blindly trust anyone on YouTube, especially on the internet. Don't trust anyone. Be objective. Look at what I'm saying. Look at your information that you're processing on other sites. Okay. This is fintel.io, Yahoo Finance, Reddit, Webull, Technical Analysis. These are my primary sources. I think they're all reliable. Okay. With the exception of Reddit. Reddit's probably not that reliable, but there is some good information. But yeah, look at all this information I'm presenting you. Go fact check it. Go look at other sources and determine then your financial decision. Don't base your financial decision blindly on what I say. Instant target prices being, hey guys, if you are new here and a beginner and you're expecting microvision-like returns, okay, I literally posted a video like this, just detailing my price targets. None of this has changed. You can go check my first video. I have not edited the price targets at all, except added new ones. I have not changed any of the pre-existing ones. This has already been hit. This was hit like in a day or two. Okay, you typically month out, look, February 4th, I posted this February 5th on the weekend. This is a month out price target, and it was hit like within 1 or 2 or 3 days. Okay, it's already almost at the end of your safe price target. Do not expect this kind of return. I say that for a lot of reasons, but mostly so you can stay sane. I've been in the situation, guys, where I've hit crazy returns, early on in my investing journey. And then then you get to another play where it's like, oh, what the heck's going on here? I'm in the red, and it messes with your head. Okay, guys, you have to don't be like me. Don't do that. Okay, I'm here to try to guide you and provide you with lessons that I've learned through my past mistakes. Okay, that's one of them. Do not expect crazy returns. Do your due diligence, and you will start seeing gains. Webull comments, breaking rules. Webull comments are pretty funny, I think. But some of them are very valuable and some of them are just idiotic. Okay. So just be objective, guys. This is all this is. Okay. Just be objective, be smart. Don't do anything stupid. Breaking rules. Yeah, you have to break the rules. If you're going to do what I do and make insane returns, I'm up, 90, 80, 90% in the last month alone. You're going to have to break some rules. Okay. Conventionally, your Dave Ramsey's, your millionaires, Warren Buffett doesn't like what we're doing. Warren Buffett will look at this channel and be like, this guy is not going to make it. Okay. I will prove him wrong. I promise you. But if he ever did that, okay, I'm just assuming that's what he did. That's what he would do. Okay. People don't advise investing into stocks like these. They think it's dumb. Guys, I'm telling you right now, if you do your research, if you do your due diligence, if you have risk management skills like me, this is my risk management right here. This is pretty much my only risk management. If the market crashes, this will go up like hundreds of percent. If we actually saw like a 30% crash, like this is going up like probably thousands of percent actually, at least hundreds. But always have risk management and always realize that you have to break rules to start sweet gains. Some rules, okay? Don't break all the rules, okay? I'm not talking about anarchy, okay? I'm not an anarchist, okay? Stockmaster on iPhone, please download this. This is the easiest way to track futures, in my opinion. Really, really quickly to do at any time, as long as you have your phone on you. Reduce your risk in the market. One easy way to do that is just this, okay? It's very simple. Just put like 10%, 5%, 1% of your portfolio in this. You will sleep a lot easier at night. At least I do. YouTube scams, fake stock YouTube gurus. Okay, oh, guys, please do not trust anyone on YouTube, including me. Don't trust me. Look at what I'm saying. Determine if you want to believe it. Okay, look at all the information you have. Determine what is true. Be objective. Look at both sides. Do not trust YouTubers. The most finance YouTubers, and most of them that try to do what I do but fail horribly, in my opinion. By the way, if you think I'm ranting, I'm allowed to. This is the irrelevant section. I will never rant during the actual technical analysis, fundamental, cash flow, financial, that whole section. I will never ramble during that section, but this section I'm allowed to. And there are a lot of bad people out there on YouTube. Do not trust them. There are a lot of bad ones. I feel like I need to name names, but I'm not ready for that yet. Okay, because they're going to come down on me. They have a lot bigger following. Some of you guys probably like these guys, but yeah, we would be doing that in the future, maybe though. Buying power flash crash. This is why the flash crash is why you need to keep buying power, aka dry powder. Keep dry powder on you at all times. It is a very smart thing to do, in my opinion. Or honestly, you don't even need dry powder if you're doing this. Really, I mean, this basically is your dry powder. Essentially, what is the stock you own that you are most bullish on? Please comment that. Also, I also appreciate everything you guys do in the comments, which is positive. You guys are amazing. You guys keep me going, keep me working hard, keep me researching day and night. Okay. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate that. Please do not hesitate to call me out on something if I'm forgetting something, missing something, mispronouncing, whatever it may be. If I make a mistake, make it clear in the comments if I don't catch it. Follow stocks you on Reddit and Twitter. Okay, we saw with BioNano yesterday why you want to do that. I'm just trying to help you guys out. I promise you. Free stocks with Webull in the description. Pre-market and after hours trading with Webull. It is the best broker in my opinion. It's seriously, I don't know of anything that even comes close. Okay. Comment what stocks I need to cover next. I will cover them. Okay. This video itself literally is just, I only covered this because you guys requested it. Okay. Literally, I don't know a ton about this company. I've been following. I actually almost got in like a month ago. Obviously, I wish I did. I would have been sitting like multiple hundreds of percentages up. But keep commenting your stocks that you want. I will cover them eventually, hopefully. Open a Roth IRA. Webull does offer this. Another reason why you should use Webull, in my opinion. Comment any stocks. I will answer them. By the way, it's not financial advice. I'm paranoid. I'm sorry. I like to mention that a lot. Robinhood, last BioNano video. I do not recommend Robinhood, but you can see why I actually have an account with them in a couple BioNano videos ago. I will never ask for likes or subs during the important part of the video. Anything before this Google Doc, essentially. I will never put ads on the videos. I will never monetize them. If you do see an ad on my videos ever, it is because YouTube has a limit of time that you can go without having it, having any ads. It's like 30 minutes, hour, 40. I don't know exactly what it is, but I've had this happen where there's a video that I'm watching, no ads, and then an hour in, get an ad. It's like, really? You're screwed either way. You're screwed either way, whatever you do with YouTube, basically. BioNano to the moon, just like GameStop pre-Robinhood market manipulation. Yes, exactly. Guys, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next one.